Hi students, welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Today topic is how to find adjoint of the matrix and inverse of the matrix. Before that, wish you happy Dasara. అందరూ చక్కగా దేవుని ప్రార్థించి మీ మనసులో ఉన్న కోరికలను కోరుకోండి. ముఖ్యంగా అమ్మా నాన్నలు బాగుండాలని చెప్పేసి చక్కగా ఆ అమ్మవారిని కోరుకోండి. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? Let us start topic. Adjoint and inverse of matrix. What is the adjoint of the matrix? Before that, we have to find the coefficient of the matrix. Coefficient of matrix is nothing but replacing the elements of the matrix with its corresponding coefficients. That is called coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix is denoted by C. Generally, coefficient matrix is denoted by capital A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This is the coefficient matrix of the matrix A equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 students. Its coefficient matrix like this. I consider 3 by 3 matrix. Now adjoint of the matrix A, adjoint of the matrix A is denoted by like this, edge of A, ADJ, adjoint starting 3 letters are ADJ. So adjoint of matrix is denoted by ADJ of A, which is equal to transpose of coefficient matrix, which is equal to coefficient matrix is this one, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Its transpose is like this. Transpose means convert rows into columns or interchange rows into columns, columns into rows. This becomes like this, A1, A2, A3. This column becomes row. B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So this is matrix is known as adjoint of the matrix A. Okay na students? Now how to find the adjoint of the matrix in short way, in shortcut way? Let us see this example. See this example, shortcut to find adjoint of the matrix. Students, generally we have to find coefficient of the every element of the given matrix and replace cofactors of these elements, cofactors of these elements and take transpose, we get adjoint of A. Now directly we can find adjoint of the matrix like this. Adjoint of A equal to, write down big bracket like this and take its transpose symbol. Students, for shortcut way, first you start with 1 here, 1, write down right side of 1, 0 and then left side of 1, 0, first is last. It is just like as cross multiplication method, YCXY method. Two straight lines ni solve చేయమన్నప్పుడు మనం YCXY method యూజ్ చేస్తాం. YCXY method. For example, 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0. First we have to write middle term minus 3, constant 2, again minus 3, like that we have to write. Similar way, first row we have to apply that method, middle term, right side of 1 and then left side of 1, first is the last. Come to third row, first R2 row and then third row. In third row also similar method we have to write, similar process, minus 2, 1, 1, minus 2. Now come to the first row, middle term, middle element is 0, 0, 7, 2, 0. Now write down first is last, 1, 0, 0, 1. Students, first ఈ మిడిల్ టర్మ్తో స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. మిడిల్, ఆల్వేస్ మిడిల్. Left side of, right side, you are according to your position, right side of 1, 0, left side of 1, 0, first is the last. See the R2 row, R3 row, R1 row, R3 row. Now you take like this 3 by 3 method, cross multiplication method. In direction positive, in this direction you take negative, 1 minus 0, next 0 minus 0, next e direction positive, e direction negative, 0 minus 1. So first 2 rows తీసుకోవాలి. Next consecutive 2 rows, minus 14, 0, next 2 minus 7, and then 0 plus 4. Now last 2 rows, 0 minus 7, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 0. My dear students, these are the nothing but minors of every element of this matrix in corresponding places. These are the minors of first row elements of this A. These are the minors of second row elements of A. These are the minors of third row elements of A. So cofactor becomes minus 1 whole power I plus j into minor. I is the row, j is the column. For the first element, first row, first column becomes, it is positive. This is the minor. Next element, first row, second column. First row, second column, it is 3. Minus 1 whole cube minus. That means plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So now this equal to, this value is 1, 0, minus 1. See, minus 14 is 14. 2 minus 7 is minus 5. Before this we have positive sign. 0 plus 4 is 4. Before that we have negative sign, minus 4. Minus 7, 0, 2 whole transpose. Now transpose it. That means interchange rows into columns, columns into rows. So this column, this row becomes column 1, 0, minus 1, 14, minus 5, minus 4, minus 7, 0, 2. This is the transpose of the matrix A. Students, మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం వింటున్నారు కాబట్టి కాస్త టైం ఎక్కువ పట్టిందనే ఫీలింగ్ ఉంటుంది. 2-3 క్వశ్చన్స్ మీరు మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తీసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే చాలా ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. విత్ ఇన్ 5 to 10 సెకండ్స్లో మీరు చేసేయచ్చు. 5 to 10 seconds ఇట్స్ ఎనఫ్. మనం ఎట్ ఏ టైం రాస్తాం. ఫస్ట్ మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను కాబట్టి ప్లస్ మైనస్ వస్తుందన్న ఐడియా కోసం ఇలా చెప్పాను. మనం ఇది మల్టిప్లై చేస్తూ డైరెక్ట్గా కాలం వేలో రాస్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ తీసుకుంటాం. సో 2-3 క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. డెఫినెట్గా మీకు ఇది ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? Now students, important properties on adjoint of the matrix. Students, adjoint of Ka equal to k power n minus 1 into adjoint of A. This is very important formula. Adjoint of Ka equal to k power n minus 1 into adjoint of A, where n is order of the matrix, students, order of the matrix A. So చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా, ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిన ఫార్ములా. సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ adjoint of AB equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. It is another one important one. Adjoint of AB equal to adjoint B into adjoint of A. Next, determinant of the adjoint of A, that means det of the adjoint A. Det of the adjoint of A or determinant of the coefficient matrix of A, both are same, det A whole power n minus 1. So determinant of adjoint of A equal to determinant of the coefficient matrix of A. Students, det A is equal to det A transpose. Adjoint means transpose of the coefficient matrix. Transpose of the coefficient matrix, determinant of the coefficient matrix, both determinants are equal. So it is very, very important. Chala important coefficient matrix of A. Next, determinant of adjoint A equal to, here double adjoint of adjoint A, det A whole power n minus 1 whole square, det of adjoint A. Students, matrix A ki adjoint kanukunte oka matrix vastundi. Again ఆ matrix ki adjoint of A. Again adjoint of A. అంటే ఏకి 3 times adjoint find out చేస్తే its determinant value det A whole power n minus 1 whole cube. So here 2 times adjoint det A whole power n minus 1 whole square. Here 3 times adjoint, so det A whole power n minus 1 whole cube. If you have 4 times det A whole power n minus 1 whole power 4. If you have n times adjoint det A whole power n minus 1 whole cube, where n is the order of the matrix, Now students, very, very important objective question is, if det A equal to 4, then find determinant of adjoint of A. Here A is 4 by 4 matrix, and that means order of the matrix A is 4 by 4. Here given det A matrix, det A value 4, order of A is 4 by 4. Now he want determinant of adjoint A. How many adjoints here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So det A whole power n minus 1 whole power 4, that is the formula. Where n is the order of the matrix? 4, that is also det A whole power 4 minus 1 whole power 4, det A whole power 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is 81 students, det A whole power 81. How much det A value? Given as a 4, det A is 4, 4 power 81. Take 4 value as 2 square whole power 81, it becomes 2 power 162. So like this we can find adjoint of A when det A equal to 4. Okay na students? Now inverse of matrix. Let us take a matrix A. Students, it should be non-singular. Later I will discuss. Let us take a matrix A. There exists another matrix B of the same order of A such that AB equal to BA equal to I. Dear students, for the matrix A, there exists another matrix B of same order of A such that AB equal to BA equal to I. Then A is invertible, that means inverse exists, invertible, and B is called inverse of A. B is called inverse of A. My dear students, B becomes inverse of A is denoted by A power minus 1, but don't read A power minus 1, read it as A inverse. Read it as A inverse. So A into A inverse equal to A inverse into A equal to I students. This is the first formula. A into A inverse equal to A inverse into A equal to I. Now A inverse formula is adjoint of A by det A. So in IP intermediate level, proof is very, very important. Proof of this question is A inverse is very, very important. So A inverse equal to adjoint of A by det A. Already how to find adjoint of A we discussed. Det A means determinant of A. Here det A is in denominator, it should be not equal to 0. Then only inverse of the matrix exists. So inverse of the matrix or A is invertible when det A not equal to 0. Determinant of the matrix not equal to 0. When the determinant of the matrix is 0, then it is called singular matrix. Singular matrix. If determinant of the matrix is not equal to 0, then it is known as non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. Singular, non-singular, important students. Singular, non-singular, important. For example, if A equal to x 0 minus 1, 2 0 minus 3, 1 minus 2, 4 is singular, then x equal to 100. This is very important in MCET point of view. Is singular matrix, then x equal to. Just now I told you, for singular matrix, determinant of the matrix is equal to 0. That means it is singular, so det A equal to 0. That implies det A means first you begin with the first row, start with first row, x into x present and row ni column this is the 0 minus 6. Next second element minus 0 into any number is 0. Next minus 1 into minus 1 present and row ni column this is the e direction lo minus 4. It multiplies the minus 0 equal to 0. Det A equal to 0. Now this value is minus 6x minus into minus plus 4 equal to 0. Now 6x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 6. Cross multiply just the 4 by 6, that is equal to 2 by 3. So now students x value is 2 by 3. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇందాక మనం ఒక మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ కనుక్కోమంటే అడ్జాయింట్ ఏ కనుక్కోవడం నేర్చుకున్నాం. det A కనుక్కోవడం మనం ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలనేది. సో ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ అంటే అడ్జాయింట్ ఏ బై det A ఇస్తే మనకి ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ వస్తుంది. నౌ determinant of A inverse equal to 1 by det A. This is another important formula. Determinant of A inverse equal to 1 by det A. ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్. Now if you take A equal to 2 by 2 matrix A, B, C, D, then its inverse is like this: 1 by AD minus BC, interchange these two, DA minus B minus C. So if A equal to AB, CD, then A inverse equal to 1 by AD minus BC, interchange these two, DA. వీటికి మైనస్ ఆపోజిట్ సైన్, we have to write opposite signs, minus B minus C. This is the inverse of this. Next important property is, my dear students, if A equal to diagonal matrix A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C, then A inverse equal to inverse of the diagonal elements, that is A power minus 1 0 0 B power minus 1 0 0 0 C power minus 1, that equal to 1 by A 0 0 0 1 by B 0 0 0 1 by C. Next students, it is another important point, orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix. So cos alpha sin alpha 0 minus sin alpha cos alpha 0 0 0 1. This is the orthogonal matrix students. Here is angle is alpha, so this matrix is also denoted by A of alpha, because matrix A in terms of angle alpha implies A inverse of alpha equal to A of minus alpha. This is very important. Generally A inverse find out cheyadaniki a given formula, A inverse equal to adjoint of A by det A. This is very important. Similarly, A of alpha into A of beta equal to A of alpha plus beta for this matrix. A of alpha means here angle is alpha. A of beta means angle is beta, cos beta, sin beta, minus sin beta, cos beta. ఈ 2 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి దట్ వాల్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు a of alpha plus beta. That means in place of alpha write down alpha plus beta. So these two are very very important points. Next students, adjoint of a whole inverse ఈక్వల్ టు మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే a by det a. జాగ్రత్త గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, adjoint of a whole inverse ఈక్వల్ టు a by det a. దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములే. డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, జాగ్రత్త చదివి మీరు మార్క్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, మార్క్స్ బాగా వస్తాయి. నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేసి ఆల్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్, బాయ్, జై హింద్.